What if the worst thing that happened to you was actually the best setup of your life? Today, I'm sharing what losing our business influence and impact, our voice, and our online presence, what that taught me, and how to rebuild my entire identity from the ground up. When your identity is tied to your work, you really embolden that's who you are. So it feels like losing a part of yourself when you're silenced and muted. Who am I anyway? What am I allowed to talk about? Initially, there's this shock and fear and frustration of so many years of content that was put online to help and serve people. See, when I came to the United States as a refugee legally from Romania, for freedom of speech, for religious freedom, for medical freedom, I cannot believe that in the same lifetime to be able to go through something very similar here. It was definitely a season of loss and grieving. The first time in 13 years, I wasn't needed online anymore. I was really forced to look inside and find out, who am I anyway if I'm not producing content in this natural health and wellness space. And God really used this time to reset my soul. Who am I separated from my work or what I can produce? And he showed me that my purpose wasn't just oils. It was always the people. It was always about the people, which were women, moms, entrepreneurs, and teens. It's always been about the people. And in this time, he was just preparing me in a different way, how to serve them in a deeper way, more confident, more aligned, more faith-filled, helping women learn how to set healthy boundaries, how to thrive in life and business, and more recently, coaching teen girls for confidence and resilience. That resilience is built in the setbacks. We can do hard things, and you can do hard things. That faith plus reflection and action leads to growth. Losing everything was just a divine reset, especially for me and for my heart and for my family. And so as the next chapter is unfolding, it's a focus for becoming a life coach and specializing in women in business, helping women set boundaries, find balance, and heal emotionally, and mentoring teen girls who need that guidance and identity in this crazy world. I love what I get to do. I'm honored. And looking back now, it wasn't a fallback. It was actually an upgrade. If you face setbacks, you too can rebuild, and we can rise together stronger. Be sure to hit the subscribe and make sure you see my next video where I'll be going through what you can expect in the new channel. I hope to see you around, and I can't wait to hear your comeback story.